안녕하세요, it's Jia. Today, I'll show you how to make kimchi mandu. Mandu means dumpling. We Koreans like to put kimchi mandu in our soup or steam it. I personally like crispy kimchi mandu. I'll share my recipe with you. Alright, let's get started. We need about half stalk of green onion. Green onion is chopped small. We will blanch the bean sprout. This is 200 grams. Blanch the bean sprout in a boiling hot water for 1 minute. So we are blanching the bean sprout because we want to make it crunchier, but quickly pull out from hot water, and we want to shock in cold water. Make sure you squeeze out completely the water out. Looks like this. Put this aside. Next is tofu. We're adding a little bit of firm tofu to our kimchi mandu. Take out all the moisture out from the tofu. This looks like this. Put this aside. And then, of course, kimchi. Make sure we're using all the ingredients, including kimchi, as a filling. Okay. Squeeze out all the juice from the kimchi. Okay, let's combine everything that goes for kimchi mandu. This is ground pork. And here we're adding half tablespoon of soy sauce. So combine seasoning, soy sauce and salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a little bit of sesame oil, about 1 teaspoon for color. And for a little kick, I like to add gochugaru, Korean chili flakes to it, but this is optional. I'm adding about 1 tablespoon. And we're going to use a little bit of ginger. So let's grate ginger to it. Now I'm going to mix everything all together. Make the mixture until sticky. It will take about 3 to 5 minutes. The mixture for kimchi mandu is prepared, and today we're going to use the wrapper. So you can easily buy this in Asian supermarket or Korean supermarket. And then I'll show you how to make a pretty mandu from now. Prepare a little bit of water, about 1/4 cup of water close to you, and I'll show you how to make dumpling mandu. Place a wrapper in the palm, and we're gonna place about 2/3 to 1 tablespoon of filling in the center. I'm going to dip my finger in water and draw a circle on the outer edge, and then fold this in half, and then make a few pleats, making sure that they are well sealed. If the filling is too small or too much, it doesn't work well. So about 2/3, a little less than 1 tablespoon of filling was perfect for this size. Okay, again, make sure it's well sealed. And then I like to just put a little more water here and then make a few pleats. So it makes it mandu prettier, and also it keeps safe sealed this shape. Okay, now we want to cook our mandu. First, we're going to add about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, and I heat it over medium-high heat. We're going to cook this mandu until bottom is golden brown. The bottom turned a bit brown. Now I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of water quickly to the pan. The wrapper turned transparent, which means that it's cooked. The bottom is brown but doesn't look so crispy, so we're going to evaporate the remaining of water. And to make the bottom part crispier, I want to add a little bit more of oil, cooking oil, about 1 teaspoon, not much, to make it crispier. Just add a little bit more in between the mandu. And let's wait another 2 minutes or so until the bottom part turns really crispy and nice. In the meantime, let's make a dipping sauce. 1/4 teaspoon of gochugaru, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. That's it. See here, the bottom is crispy and nice, brown and golden brown, looks beautiful, and it's all well cooked. If you have old, well-aged fermented kimchi, pork goes pretty well with kimchi. So mandu is a great dish to make. I made around 45 mandu today. If you cannot eat the whole mandu at once, I'll give you one little tip. This is the mandu that I freeze a few days ago. Just cook as much as you can eat, and then I like to split in a small plastic bag and then just throw in a freezer. It keeps up to 1 month. I can't wait to taste my kimchi mandu, one of my favorite mandu. Thank you very much. See you again. Bye bye.